This is Novotel Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns, North Pyramid North. My brother, how do you feel about the game today?
Yeah, well, we played well.
Yeah.
And then the boys, the way they played, I was not satisfied with the way they played.
Yeah.
And then we missed several chances,
Yeah.
many goals.
Yeah.
We played well. We knocked the ball around, but then at the end we didn't manage to score the goals.
Yeah.
You understand? But the game, we managed to keep the game to us.
At least you
Yeah.
you kept the clean sheet.
You understand?
Yeah.
Yes. And then we got 4 points now.
Lemonade.
According to me,
Yeah.
yeah, 94 points.
Yeah.
And I cannot be lying. I don't care.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sharp, no.
You are less.
Yeah, and then
So who was the man of the match today?
my man of the match, according to me, from the defense.
Yeah.
I think my defense played well, and then I think the guy from the back, my brother Mudau,
Yeah.
he played well.
Yeah.
And then man, always Mudau, he plays well.
As always. Yeah.
Yeah, and then according to me, he should be the man of the match each and every game.
Yeah.
Because he plays well.
Yeah.
He attacks. He overlaps.
Each other.
He defends.
Each other.
Understand? Yeah, every single time.
Oh, thank
Yeah,
you
but
very much.
Sundowns is the best team in the world.
It's the best team in the
Yeah,
world.
everybody must. Everybody.
But the best team in the world must score at home and get 3 points.
Yeah,
Understand? So that when you go that side, at least you are relaxed. You go for a throw.
my brother. Away goals, away. I don't care.
Yeah.
Sundowns they play very good football.
Each other.
They attack.
Yeah.
They score.
Yeah.
They didn't score. They didn't score today.
Yeah.
But we are number one in the law.
Each other.
Thank you.
Oh, la.